Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 9. And I just finished row 23. So we're going to start row 24. And this is how it looks like. Okay. And see, it looks like a plate. And this is the back. It becomes thick because of the 3D. And we've been doing these back work, so it's giving that extra fabric. So you can make a rug out of this, blanket. What I'm going to do is, while I was crocheting this is big enough compared to the one that I started. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to make a blanket, I would highly recommend you to use, I don't know, if you use 2, let me just show you. Let's say, I can't open that one, but this is 1 strand. If you do it this way, this is 2 strand. If you do it this way, this is 3 strands, see? If you do 4 balls, try to find the same color, and then start with that at the beginning, so it won't be variegated. You know what I mean, right? It won't be the hat that I showed you, because I used 2 strand on this one from inside and one from outside, so it won't create this different colors. If you start with the same color, you can make a rug, a round rug, and I'm sure that would turn out fantastic. So I am planning to do that. Why not? Yeah, this would be a masterpiece, because I have lots of yarn, because I still haven't finished 1 ball yet. And yeah, it's growing, and so I'm going to do that. You can do 2 strand like I showed you, 3 strand, 4 strand. It's up to you. Even if you like to work with big crochet hooks, you can use 5 strand and use the biggest crochet hook that you have. Unfortunately, I can't. I have problems working with. If I go over 6.5, I have a difficult time crocheting. I tried it with the 7. I was doing some hats. With the 9, I didn't. I really had a hard time. So this is the crochet hook I'm using for this. I started with a small one and I went up. Okay, so we're going to start row 24, and 24 is going to be popcorns. So it's going to be this popcorn. Okay. So this one I'm going to do 8, 4, 4, and I will show you. Okay, so we're going to do 6 single crochets, and then popcorn. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. Well, yeah, because the other popcorn is here, the previous row. So I'm going to start here. See, it becomes just right under. So I'm going to make 1 popcorn here. So I'm going to start right away. This was the joining part. I didn't even do a chain, but I'm going to chain 3 to go up. And then right here, I'm going to make 4 double crochets. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Oops, I thought I could make this. Just gonna go down a little bit, my arm. So including this 3 chains, so I have 3, 4. Okay, because we're gonna make our popcorn stitch bigger. So I'm gonna go to the next one here, and then I'm gonna make 4 double crochets there, because it's being I can't make too many. It's even 6. I had well, I did 6, but that extra 2 would be too many. So here's another way you can make big popcorns. So 3, 4. Okay, and then right here, I'm going to come right here and then pull this. Just like this. Well, I forgot to do the 3 chain. Okay, so I would consider this the 3 chain to go up. Yeah, and I will make another one just to be on the safe side. So 6 double crochets. Yeah, don't forget those 3 chains, because of the 3 chains, that's where we do our crocodile stitch. But this one's going to be a huge one. So chain 3 to go down. Okay, so I'm going to make 6 single crochets here up till these 2 loops, these 2 single crochets here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I skip one, it would be perfect. Two, 3, 4, 5. Oops. And then 6. Chain 3 to go up. So I'm skipping one, and right here I'm going to make 4 double crochets. Okay, you will notice that these are increasing as we started at the beginning. Remember, we didn't have many. We had only 5 here. Now we have 6. I think we had less. Yeah. Two, 3, 4, and then go to the next single crochet. So lots of double crochets involved. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then come back, come to the first double crochet. See, will become bigger. 1, 2, 3, go up. See how different it is? How different. And the more we get bigger, like wider, we're going to pull it by 3. So when we pull it by 3, our popcorns gets bigger. So we'll do that on the next set. Okay, so I'm going to skip one, and I did my 3 chain. Yes, I did. Skip one, and then make 1, 2, 3. Oops. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and then again chain 3. Skip one. Just checking. Yeah, if I skip one, it would be here. So 4 double crochet. So I'm going to let you crochet, and I will back when I finish row 24. I will come back and we'll start row 25. Oops, it's supposed to be 4 double crochet. Okay, so I will be right back. This yarn is nice to work with if you want to get my feedback about this mainstay yarn. It is nice to work with, and it's not soft as the Red Heart stripes, but yeah, so if I wash it, I will figure it out. You need to use it right if it pills or anything. I don't know about that, but so far I really like this 100% acrylic. Okay, I'll be right back. I am just about to finish row 24. I did my 6 single crochet. So what I'm going to do is right here where the 3 chain is, I'm going to make 5 double crochet. Okay, we're making the crocodile stitch, and this is row 25. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to make 2. I'm going to pull 2 quadruple crochet. Okay, so pull 1, pull 2, pull 3, and try to crochet these as loose as you can. And then the second one, pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. Okay, and right in the middle we're going to make triple crochet, treble crochet, triple crochet, whichever you like to call this. Do yarn over twice, and then pull 2, or you can do, if you want it taller, pull 1, pull 2, pull 2, pull 2, and then the second one. Either you can make the picot here or on after this one. Pull 1, pull 2, pull 2, pull 2, and then make the picot 2, 3, 4, and try to make this picot as loose as you can, because we need those 2 V's that we make right there. Well, yeah, remember those 2 V's? It's right here that we grab. That's a little bit tight. Okay, now we're going to repeat what we just did on the other side. 2, pull 1, pull 2, pull 2. Again, pull 1, pull 2, pull 2. So we make 2 of this, and then we're going to make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all to it. And then we're going to jump to the other 3 chain, and we're going to repeat this total of 12 times. 5 double crochet, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, and then we're going to pull 2 times. We're going to do this quadruple crochet. So pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. Again, pull 1, pull 2, pull 2. Okay, there's no chain here, and we're doing the crocodile stitch. So we're supposed to do 2 loops. Don't forget, because we need that height. So pull 1, pull 2, pull 2, pull 2. Pull 1, pull 2, pull 2, pull 2. Okay. Okay, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the picot, and then go grab it right there, and then slip stitch. Okay, and then we're going to repeat the other side. Pull 1, pull 2, pull 2, and then 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then automatically I jump to the next space here. So I will let you crochet this, and then we're going to start row 26. Okay, row 26 is going to be working on the back again, so we're repeating this every time. It was just this row 10 was a little bit difficult. Remember where we were doing these, and then we were there was so many work on row 10, but other than that, the rest is just continue crocheting it round and around. Let me show you the other one just to give you an idea. Yeah, it is way bigger than this one. So just looking at it, I have to count, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did the 5th one, 5th popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing this part. Can you see? So I'm going to let you crochet, and I will come back with part 9 to do row 26, which is going to be joining this and doing a single, I believe it was single crochets. Yeah. I don't want the videos long because of the quality drops down. I hate that when I do my videos. I don't like the quality. I want it, you know, not blurry, because I went through that years and years. So I'm going to put my stitch marker here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just finished this. Okay. So again, I will come back and we will continue crocheting, because yeah, there's an extra step here on the crocodile stitch there that we're going to be making. But you can see that the height, can you see it's getting taller, it's getting bigger, and it's getting wider. So I hope you like this part. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. I'll see you on part 9, row 26. Thank you. Bye for now.